The average person spends 4 to 6 hours a day scrolling and has nothing to show for it. Here are 5 hobbies that will replace that time and actually build you while you do them. Hobby 1, chess. Chess forces you to think ahead, anticipate consequences, and manage pressure. The exact same skills that make someone dangerous in business and in life. It rewires your brain to think strategically, and it's completely free. Swap 30 minutes of scrolling for 30 minutes of chess, and within months you'll notice the difference in how you think. Hobby 2, learn how to think. Most people have never actually been taught this. They react. They follow whatever opinion is loudest without ever questioning it. Learning how to think means studying logic, critical thinking, and why your brain tricks you into bad decisions. Read Stoicism, philosophy, decision-making, because when your thinking improves, every single area of your life improves with it. Hobby 3, build something online. Every hour you spend scrolling, you are making someone else rich. Every hour you spend building, you are making yourself rich. Same phone, same internet, completely different outcome. A digital product, a small business, anything. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Hobby 4, learn boxing. Boxing teaches you something almost nothing else does. How to be comfortable under pressure. In the ring, there is no overthinking, no distraction, just you in the present moment. You show up, you get hit, you improve. No shortcuts. That discipline bleeds into every other area of your life. Hobby 5, read and journal. One book hands you decades of someone else's hard-earned wisdom in a few hours. But reading alone isn't enough. Journaling is where it actually sticks. Write down what you learned. Write down your goals and your fears. When you journal consistently, you start understanding yourself on a level most people never reach. 15 minutes reading, 10 minutes journaling. Every day, that's it. And I'm not telling you to do all 5. That's not the point. Pick 2, maybe 3. The ones that actually spoke to you. Stick to them. Be consistent with them. Because your life won't change from watching this video, it will only change from what you do after it. Comment the 2 hobbies you're choosing, subscribe,